Hi there, welcome to our website hosting service page. So what is website hosting? Well, essentially website hosting is a computer somewhere in the world holds or stores your website files and or database and delivers it to your website visitors. So essentially when somebody types in your domain name, www. whatever, they are then downloading your website files, or essentially your website, to their internet browser, so Firefox, Chrome, and so they're essentially just downloading your website onto their computer. So that's simply what hosting is. Now there's different types of hosting that you can get. So the most common, when you're just starting out with a website, you might get a shared host, which means that you're essentially sharing the resources of the one computer with possibly many other websites. Now this is very dangerous because depending on the server or the company that you go with, they can crowd a lot of websites onto the same server. So therefore, if there's any rogue websites that are on the server, they could actually cause a lot of issues down the line. So just be careful who you host with and who you decide to go with. So that's shared hosting. Of course, we've got virtual private servers, which is or also known as a virtual VPS. So this is kind of like the next level up from a shared server. So you essentially get a virtual machine, which is kind of yours, but you're still sharing the resources from other virtual machines or other systems on the same server as well. But there's not as many, and there's a lot of safeguards to protect any rogue elements on that server as well. So that's the next level up for a VPS. And then of course you can go to cloud. Cloud is actually not too bad, depending on where you go, because it's very fast. And you can also get dedicated servers with cloud servers as well for very good prices depending on where you go. And also then you've got a dedicated server, which is basically just your server that no one else shares, no one else uses. It's all yours. We call it a stack, and it's your stack, and that is it. That's all you have, and all the resources are there for you. So somebody like Facebook or Google, or they'll have pretty much their own virtual servers all over the world, most likely. So that's when you're spending a lot of money. So from shared hosting, which is the most typical to start with, very inexpensive, to the dedicated hosting, which can get quite pricey, but it depends on where you are in your business and what you need. So if you have any questions about hosting or what our hosting that we have, please reach out to me, give me a call, or just go to our contact page on the website and send an email. So thanks very much, and I look forward to being of service.